Edvotek Kit S-51. Whose DNA was left behind? Are you ready to explore DNA analysis? With Edvotek's Kit S-51, you'll bring hands-on biotechnology right to your classroom, making complex concepts fun and easy to understand. One exciting application of biotechnology is DNA fingerprinting, a powerful technique used in forensic science, paternity testing, and even wildlife conservation. But how does it work? Everyone's DNA has different combinations of nucleotides in specific regions. By using restriction enzymes to cut DNA and separating the fragments through gel electrophoresis, we can create a visual fingerprint of those patterns. With this kit, we have developed a hands-on activity that uses colorful dyes to simulate DNA fingerprinting. Students separate the dye samples into discrete bands using agarose gel electrophoresis. Once the experiment is finished, students will be able to analyze the results and interpret how these patterns match, or don't match. This shows your learners how to analyze and compare DNA fingerprints, allowing them to use biotechnology and forensic science to solve genetic puzzles. The best part? This experiment can be completed in 20 minutes or less. Inside the kit, you'll find everything you need to run this experiment with 10 student groups: the prepared samples, pre-measured agarose powder, and electrophoresis buffer, along with step-by-step instructions. You will need a horizontal agarose gel apparatus, pipettes, and a power supply to perform the experiment, which are not included with the kit. Whether it's for identifying individuals or understanding genetic relationships, DNA fingerprinting is a crucial tool in modern science, and Edvotek's experiment kit allows you to experience real-world biotechnology techniques, perfect for middle school and high school labs. Ready to unlock the secrets of DNA fingerprinting? Grab your lab coat today and get started with Edvotek's Kit S-51. Whose DNA was left behind? Thanks for watching. We pride ourselves on providing the highest quality customer service for our teachers. Call, email, or send us a message on social media.